Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Synonym. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover Synonym. We can create synonym for table or view, using create synonym name, for table name, or view name. Synonym is private by default. We can create public synonym, using create public synonym name, for table name, or view name. We can use synonym in query in place of table, or view name. We can get list of synonym created by user, using user synonyms table. We can drop private synonym, using drop synonym name. And, drop public synonym, using drop public synonym name. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.